officially my first video for 2025 in the studio. It's freezing. I've been in for a good few hours and I'm still like wearing my jacket. I've got 2 jumpers on, I've got a hat on, a neck scarf, trying to have coffee, and then I've got like my radiator just underneath me. My camera broke over Christmas, which is not ideal at all. So I'm filming on my very old phone. So hopefully the quality is okay. I'm really sorry if it's different, but I thought I still wanted to film just to make sure I have some content to put out. So I did a sale over the holidays, and it'll be, depending on when this video goes up, it might still be live. It'll be live for a lot of January anyway, and everything online is like really super discounted, some of it up to half price. I'm trying to like clear out some stock, start the new year with like new collections. So yeah, some really good discounts online if you're interested in getting anything. But I thought I'd walk you through what has been ordered. I was just doing a TikTok, so I put one of these on here to show. If I showed you these are my new bags. They're not online during the sale, but they'll be back up at the end of January as made to order. And then I was just showing, this is one of the charms that's been ordered in the sale and how they just clip on. So you can kind of accessorize your bag. Obviously you don't need to do it with a star bag, you can put it on your own bag as well. So anyway, that's the first thing that's been ordered. Okay, so number 1, I have a huge pile of bits here that I've gotten down that I'm going to show you. So here is one of the headbands that was ordered. There's a few of these still online. These are from like 3-ish years ago, I think. So yeah, they're really cute. So here's one of the orders for the collars. This one's from a good few years ago, but these are like so nice for styling, even over like winter, over jackets and coats. So that was one of them that was ordered. Another one that was ordered, again, really sweet. I think I actually had to order for 2 collars in one order. So this collar and this collar was the same order. This one's so sweet. It's the last one left from this collection with this really cute like tulle polka dot glittery ruffle. And again, really fun for styling. Like even with this outfit, I think it'd be really fun. So yeah, a few collar orders. Then we had more bag charms ordered. Need to make more star ones actually. I don't think of any stars left now online. Star bag that was ordered. This was from, I think, from my collection last year for summer, with a lovely polka dot strap, and then it has nice extra detail here. That was ordered. And then this camo skirt, which, would you be able to see me if I put this on? Yeah, that's ordered too, and it's got this lovely butterfly print here. So that's everything that needs to get packed now. And then I made yesterday all of the gift bags. If you've been following me for a while, you know I send orders over a certain size always get sent in these gift bags that I make, and it's made from upcycled fabrics. So I added these ones with like little extra things that I stamped onto fabric, so all the orders going out. So that is my plan for now. I'm going to get everything packed, ready to send, hopefully get even the first batch around to the post office today, and then we can move on to like exciting starts for 2025. What I really want to do this year is upgrade my like lighting situations and tripod situations. Right now you're balancing on this is what you're balancing on. Yeah, this is what you're balancing on at the moment, which is far from ideal. Yeah, so making a few upgrades like that might be worthwhile. Okay, so I'm gonna go get everything packed, and then we'll check back in a bit. Just back from getting, I don't have any envelopes at the moment, and tape for orders. So another thing I really want to do this year is get like proper envelopes done, because I'm sick of like having to just buy an envelope here and there. I need like proper packing stuff as well. So many things to sort out. Okay, let's go. It's the next day. I'm in the studio. So cold. I'm just about to run around and post the last of the parcels. I am pretty much wearing what I wore yesterday. I'm just trying to keep warm. So I think for the next while I'm not gonna have like really exciting outfits to show you. Before I run around though, I did thrift some stuff on the way in. I'll show you. I got this jumper, which has this really fun, sorry the light is bad on my camera. It has this really fun detail with its sequins. On one side it's got like these kind of shaggy sleeves, shaggy like collar in the middle, and then it has the same detail on one of the sleeves. It's kind of like this teal color. That was €5 on sale, and that is the brand there. But I think there'll be beautiful ways of styling this with like color. I'm thinking of clashing it with like a purpley pink. I think I'd get quite like an interesting outfit. I actually have these like tracksuit bottoms that I got years ago. They're like a satin pink color, and I think them with this could look really fun. So yes, that's exciting. I'm so cold. The other thing I got were these shoes, which are like really well made, and I love like that kind of basic nice western shoe. These were only €5 and they're like super well made, really good quality. So yeah, I thought that they would be fun for interesting outfits, especially like with high-waisted like suit trousers, that kind of thing. I think I could get some nice results with them. Maybe I'll look up Pinterest, see if there's any interesting ideas. I'm actually going to Tenerife next month with my mom to see my nana that lives out there in Tenerife. She's like in her 90s, so I'm really excited to see her. I didn't go last year, I went the year before, and I just cannot wait to be warm again. It's been so cold here. I think there's been snow over like most of Ireland. There's not been snow in Dublin, but it's been freezing. The studio's so cold, so yeah, I'm really excited to the idea of being warm again and having fun outfits. Right now, you'll have noticed for the past while it's just been literally the same thing just because I'm on the bike. Anyway, I'm gonna run around to the post office and catch up in a bit. I think I've just got my camera back working. I think it was just on the wrong frames per second. We'll see. We are back on my camera. I'm so thrilled. I just had the camera on the wrong settings. Instead of completely breaking the camera, I was going through like worst case scenario. I was like, I don't think I can afford right now to get the camera fixed, and then I'm gonna miss loads of uploads. I do like all my content on this camera, so I'm really thrilled that it's working again. I can't seem to get the photo to work on it, so we'll have to figure that out. But hopefully when I get a new phone, I can take most of my photos on the phone and just use the camera for recording. So we're back in action. I'm just having some coffee. I've been in the studio for a while, so it's a little bit more warm than it was when I first came in. But I've got 2 orders to pack of bag charms. Both slightly different. This is like a leopard kind of print, and that's like a tiger print. But I'm getting both those orders packed now. So that's my plan. I'm wearing my Carhartt dungarees, which I actually forgot about, and then I saw someone, I think it was on Instagram, like styling their like cream dungarees with like a cream jumper. I was like, I think I have them, and I dug them out. They're like, they definitely need to be steamed, but I don't have time for that. Actually, I have my steamer. Maybe I should take them off and steam them while I'm in here. But yeah, that's my outfit. I made a scrunchie yesterday that I'm wearing, and I think that that is my plan once I get these orders packed, I'm gonna like spend the rest of today and tomorrow making scrunchies, because that's a nice easy way to ease myself in. I love wearing scrunchies. Tried to make like these ones that are quite oversized. Let me take it off and show you. Like really oversized scrunchies. I think I'm gonna make a few of these. I think these are better served though, like when you already have something in your hair and this is like just a decoration more than anything. Anyway, so we'll catch up in a bit. So here are the two orders that I'm posting. So this bag charm and this bag charm, we're just getting them ready and then running to the post office.